National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, west central McInnish Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northern Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northeastern Shelby County in eastern Texas, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Converse, or 18 miles southwest of Mansfield, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manny, Zilali, Converse, Allen, Oak Grove, Pleasant Hill, Huxley, Noble, Rogaline, Stanley, Belmont, Pelican, Montville, Toledo Bend Reservoir North, and Ajax. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for portions of northwest Louisiana and northeast Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: DeSoto, McInnish and Sabine, and Shelby, Texas.